Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel. I'm April, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. As you can tell by the title, you know what we're here today for. Today I am here to reveal to you my August Ivy box. I'm giving you a warning now. I have opened the box because I have seen reviews about the mugs that we received having the words backwards, so I had to look in this box just to make sure that my mug was okay, because I recently got it out the mail and I just didn't want to wait too long before I figured out. Well, I didn't want to wait too long because if something was wrong with it, I needed to go ahead and send it back right away. But nothing was wrong with it, so now I am here to share with you. And also I'm going to have my link down below, so if you decide while watching this video that you would like to go ahead and subscribe, then you can tap my link down below and it will take you directly to the Ivy Storehouse website where you can go and subscribe. So my box, I couldn't get it to close all the way, but it came regular size this time. The theme for August was Make America Pretty Again. Can you see that? This card doesn't really stand out to me like the other cards have stood out, but I guess it's cute. Make America Pretty Again. So on the back of the card, it tells you what's in the box. Inside this box, we have an embroidered Vote fleece sweatshirt, an embroidered Vote hat, a ceramic Vote mug, a Vote lapel pin, and a Vote cell phone pop socket. So let's get to what's on top. So now we have on top our AKA Vote It's a Serious Matter lapel pin. Now this was in a plastic bag, but I took that out. I actually had to do this video again because the first recording, it was not cute. So I had to redo it. But here is the pin. Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see it? It has the ivy leaf as the O, and it has the pearls. I think the pearls going around are so cute. Like, that gives it the cutest little touch right there. Vote It's a Serious Matter. That is cute. I do like that pen, and I'll probably add this to my bag, my denim bag, where I've been putting all my other pins on here. Or like I've said in a previous video, you can also have a cute denim jacket and start putting your pins on your jacket. So that is the lapel pin. Next on top we have the Vote It's a Serious Matter cell phone pop socket. I'll take that out the plastic for you. These are the pop sockets that go on the back of your cell phone or your iPad. So it's supposed to help with your hands, giving you a better grip on the phone. And it's white with pink Vote It's a Serious Matter. It's in pink. And this one is kind of small. I have one on my phone now. Let's see. That is the one I have on my phone now. So let's compare these two. Ooh, that's the same size. It's the same size. But it looks so small. It looks so small. So then that's good. I can change this out when it comes time to vote. So that's the pop socket. I will use this because I think these are cute. Especially if you want to prop your phone up like you want to watch a TV show or something. If you're on your lunch break and you're watching something on your phone, then you can easily prop it on this and have it like on a stand. So I really do love those. So thank you for that. Next is the ceramic Vote mug. And this was the item that I was concerned about, because I did see a photo where one had been shipped out and the words were upside down. I was like, oh no, please don't let my mug be messed up. So yeah, I just got my mug and it is good. It is like a gray, it reminds me like a marble print, marble design to it, and it has Vote It's a Serious Matter, and I think that is so super cute. I do like this mug. Vote is a serious matter. And I don't like coffee, but I will use this for my hot chocolate and my hot tea when it gets cold. That'll be cute. So glad my mug was in good condition. Alright, so that's the mug. Next, we have the embroidered vote hat. And to me, this is also like, it matches the sweatshirt. It is like a fleece material. And I'm never too fond of fleece material hats. But this one, I guess it is okay. I guess I can work with it because it's gray. I do like the fact that they sent gray items in this box because I really don't have any gray paraphernalia. So as you can see on the front, it has vote with the ivy leaf in the center, and it's a serious matter at the bottom. And my hair is super big right now. Ooh. Now yesterday I tried this on when I filmed it the first time, and it went on there really good. Swelled up, so now it's just like hair and little hat. So yeah, I'm not sure where I will wear this to, because this hat is cute, but I probably won't wear this one that much. I won't wear this one as much as I wear the other one that they sent. I think it was like the June box with the one that came with the jacket. I really love that one. I like that one better than this one. And I don't see myself wearing this to the polls. But it's cute. It's great. I'll figure it out. I'll find something I can wear with it. And then last but not least, we have the embroidered vote fleece sweatshirt. And here's the sweatshirt. Take it out for you. I got some makeup on it. My feelings are hurt, but it's okay because you can't hardly tell. So here's the sweatshirt. It has vote on the front of it. It's a serious matter. I love the color gray. I'm about to be honest with you. I'm really not fond of the vote on the front. I would have preferred if they have just made the sweatshirt with the ivy leaf in the center. Maybe enlarged that a little bit bigger, well, a little bit more, and left it's a serious matter on the bottom, and just took off the VT and the E. Now that's just me personally, because this is a really cute sweatshirt. Let me go. I'm going to go try this on, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So here's what the sweatshirt is looking like. Oh, you can't see it when I sit down. The sweatshirt is really, really cute. I love how it fits. It has some room in it for me. It's not too snug, not too tight. I love this sweatshirt, like I really do, but I just wish they left off the V, the T, and the E. Like, honestly, when I saw the photo, the sneak peek of the box, I was just like, and that box is alright. We all know voting, it is a serious matter. But I just feel like I won't be able to get enough wear out of this since it has a vote all over everything. Like the hat, I could see the hat. But the hat with the sweatshirt, for me, that is too much because I really don't like, you know, the same prints on top of each other. But yeah, I feel like I just won't be getting that much wear out of it because I'll only be able to wear this. Well, I don't know about you all, but I'll only want to wear this when it's voting time, you know. And then last year, I've been also reading reviews about last year's vote box. They sent out the similar items, but in black. So it's like, I don't want to continue to get vote items that I can only wear when it's time to vote. And you know, it's like you sending this stuff every year. Is it going to be the same thing next year in a different color? Like, how is that going to work? I just don't want to have a lot of vote stuff when it's like, I don't want to be wearing vote stuff in December, you know? Because this sweatshirt would have been super cute without the V, T, and E. It's cute. Don't get me wrong. It is cute with the V, the T, and the E. But I could see myself wearing this shirt more in the next few months as it's getting cold in the fall and winter. I can see myself wanting to wear the sweatshirt because it's cute. It's lightweight. It doesn't fit too tight. And it's a cute gray. Like, this is a cute neutral color. But I just feel like it's limited. Like, I can only wear this when it's time to vote. So, overall, this box is okay. It's not one of my faves, but the items are cute. I really love the sweatshirt. I really do. But, like I said, I just wish they had left off the V, the T, and E. Because every single piece in this box has vote is a serious matter. I guess they just wanted to let it be known, like, that's how serious it is to vote. So everybody out here, if you're watching this, please go vote. Don't forget to vote. Take a van. Go get some people in your community. Take them with you to go vote. Please vote. It is a serious matter, okay? But yeah, I just didn't want everything to say the same thing. Yeah, I just really wish everything didn't have the same wording on it. Like, they could have just put it on one or two items. Like, even the cell phone pop socket, I would like to use that the whole year. I would really like to change out the one that I have, because I want an AKA one that has the, I think this one on sale that has a shield. I saw one that I wanted to get, but I haven't purchased it yet. But had this one just had It's a Serious Matter on it, I would have been straight. I wouldn't need to purchase one. But since it has a vote on it, I'm going to probably just change it when it's time to vote. And then after voting, I'll change back to my regular pop socket. So I have a Storehouse next time. Can we not put it on every item, please? I love y'all, though. I really do. I love y'all. And thank you. Thank you for my box, because it's still cute. And like, I made a comment too. I was like, I'm thankful that this is my first vote box, because I probably would have been upset if I got the vote box in black and then got it again in a gray fleece material. That's all that was in the box. If you are interested in subscribing, here is how you can do so. All you have to do is subscribe at www.ivystorehouse.com with the recurring monthly plan by the 13th of the month. It has to be by the 13th of the month. Select a month-to-month, 3-month, or annual plan, and then you will receive high quality and curated Alpha Kappa Alpha apparel, accessory, and stationery products. Your Ivy box will ship between the 25th and 30th of each month. There is no obligation to continue the subscription, and you can cancel at any time. After your initial order, billing occurs automatically on the 1st of every month, and no need to resubscribe. So there you have it. It's really simple and easy. It's a pretty good thing. Like, I enjoy my Ivy box still every month, because even though some items I may be like, I'm not really feeling that, 9 times out of 10 I will find something to do with it. So that's all that matters. I do feel like I get every penny's worth. So again, I do have my subscription link down below. All you have to do is tap that link below, and it will take you directly to their website. And let me know down below how you like your Ivy box this month. Let me know what your favorite item was. Let me know if you like the vote theme, or if you want to see something different next year. All right, and until next time, stay pretty and make America pretty again. All right, y'all. Bye.